My name is Anne. Today I want to get a haircut. My hair is too long and looks messy. I look in the mirror and say, I need a haircut today. I pick up my phone. I call the hair salon. Hello, can I get a haircut today? The person on the phone says I can come at 3 p.m. Great, thank you. I will come at 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. I arrive at the salon. It is clean and bright. I see many people. Some are cutting hair, some are washing hair. I say, hello, I have an appointment at 3 p.m. My name is Anne. They ask me to sit down. I wait for a few minutes. Haircut time. The stylist comes and smiles. I say, hi, I want a trim, please. Just a little short. She asks if I want to wash my hair first. I say, yes, please. Wash and then cut. The water is warm. It feels nice. During the haircut, I sit on the chair. The stylist cuts my hair. I feel happy. I look in the mirror and smile. Wow, my hair looks clean and pretty. Time to pay now. The haircut is done. I ask, how much is it? The stylist tells me the price. I pay and say, thank you so much. I love my haircut. I walk out of the salon. The wind touches my hair. New haircut, new me. I feel happy and fresh. Words I use today: haircut, trim salon, wash appointment pay. Thank you. That was my day at the hair salon. Thanks for listening to my story. See you next time. Bye.